Pakoras are perfect companion for a hot cup of tea, especially during the monsoon season. If you are in search for a protein-rich snack, this recipe is just for you. Welcome to Anna Roshmita. Today we are making crispy mushroom pakoras. We will start by making the batter. In a mixing bowl, combine besan and rice flour. These two ingredients are essential for achieving the signature crispiness of the pakoras. Next, add a bit of ajwain to aid digestion while providing a slight bitterness that balances the flavors. Incorporate some ginger paste and a generous amount of garlic paste to enhance the earthy mushroom flavor. For color, add some Kashmiri red chili powder and a dash of turmeric powder. To elevate the flavor profile, add some chaat masala for a tangy savory kick, followed by salt to taste. Lastly, toss in some finely chopped coriander stems which are packed with flavors and chopped green chilies for heat according to your spice preference. Slowly add the water to the dry ingredients, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. The batter should be thick and smooth to coat the mushrooms evenly without dripping excessively. Next, we will fry our pakoras. For this, heat some refined oil in a deep pan or a kadhai for fry. In the meanwhile, mix in a little lemon juice and baking soda into the batter. This will help the pakoras turn extra crispy when fried. Now, take cleaned and dried button mushrooms, dip them into the batter, ensuring they are well coated, and gently slide them into the hot oil. Fry over medium to high heat as mushrooms release moisture while cooking. The batter will lock in that moisture, giving the pakoras a crunchy exterior. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until golden brown and crisp. Once the pakoras are ready, remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy, flavorful mushroom pakoras, perfect for tea times or gatherings. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle some chaat masala on top just before serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video. Until next time, happy cooking!